Hi and welcome to another tutorial. In today's lesson we'll learn 2 easy ways to change the case within Microsoft Excel. So anyways guys, let's jump in. So the first thing that we have here is we have our worksheet, and if you see over here in the first column we have a name column, but you can see that the names are not even capitalized. So what we are going to do is we are going to fix that and change the case. Now there are a number of ways to do this and I'm going to show you a few right now. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to create a new column over here. Now if I want to capitalize all of those words, it's quite easy. All I have to do is just write equal upper and then press tab and then click on the cell and then just press enter, and that will capitalize all of that for me. And that's looking pretty good if I wanted that. If I didn't want that and I wanted to make it like a title case or just capitalize the first letter of each word, then I can use the proper function. So equal proper. So I'll just find proper, press tab, click on the word and then just press enter, and you can see that's done that for me nicely, and that's looking really good. Now I'll show you another way that you can do this as well. So let's say now I want to make sure that this has a title case. So I'll come over here and in the first cell I will write that. So this will be Holly, and then what I can do is I can click on that cell and then I can press CNTRL E, and then it will try and mimic the same pattern that I've done here with all the other text that goes down. And you can see it's done a pretty good job because every word in here has a capital first letter. And so that's looking pretty cool. And the good thing about this is that now this is actual text. I don't have to do anything with it. For example, if I did it the other way by using equal proper, the only thing that I would have to do here is if I have this, you will see that it's getting that answer by a formula. So the only thing I'll have to do is I'll have to copy this and then put it back in. So I'll show you a quick way to do that. So you highlight the column that you need, or all of the cells that you want. You right click, you move over one, and then you bring it back, and then you let go of the right click, and then you can go copy here as values only. And if you do that, then they become values, and now there is no formula in there. So anyways, that's about it. So I hope you learned something. I hope you learned how to change the case within Excel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.